D for dog. D for door. D for duck. D for doll. D for dolphin. D for dates. D for doctor. D for drum. D for deer. D for dress. D for diamond. D for dice. D for donkey. D for dinosaur. D for duster. D for dinner. D for donut. D for dance. D for dirty. D for dust. D for dots. D for drawing. D for daughter. D for darkness. D for drops. D for daddy. D for diamond shape. D for drinking. D for December.